lecture, you will learn about 4 SEO tools to convert broad keywords into subtopics or topic suggestions. The first tool that we are going to discuss is Ubersuggest, and the URL is ubersuggest.io or neilpatel.com/ubersuggest. As per our test scenario, that is, I'm going to build or set up a smartphone news or reviews website. So let's assume that I'm interested in writing some articles or posts regarding Android, but I don't know what to do or what to write about Android. In such case, if I search for such broad keywords in Ubersuggest, you have the option to choose whether you're targeting the whole web traffic or just images or YouTube, etc. Also, you can geographically target a particular country. When you click on Lookup button, you will be provided with a list of keywords that are auto-suggested by Google. Although, it's not necessary to uncheck Keyword Planner. I'm going to uncheck it as it may give me a lot of distantly related keyword searches, which I don't want. Also, let me sort these results by search volume in descending order. Now, let me explain how this works by just taking these 3 keywords, that is Android One, Android phones, and Android Find My Phone. Let's try searching Android on Google, and the auto suggestions are Android, Android software, and Android Wikipedia. But Ubersuggest gave me a different set of keyword list. It's because Google's auto suggestions are based on mostly searched related keywords, whereas Ubersuggest sorts the list either alphabetically or based on the criteria we choose. Moreover, when we search on Google directly, we get personalized auto suggestions based on our locations, so it can vary altogether. For one broad keyword like Android, Ubersuggest gives you a list of 189 keywords. So, whenever I see some interesting keywords or some keywords on topics which I already know, I can make a note of it and include them as subtopics in my main article. Let me sort them via search volume in descending order and note the keywords that are having competition less than 0.20, such as Android One or Android screenshot. Also, mouse over the trend icon and check if the search trend is continuing for the keywords you choose. If the trend is dropping, like in case of Android Oreo, you should avoid picking such keywords. But don't take these competition numbers for their face value. Validate your shortlisted keywords again via Google Trends or Keyword Planner, because keywords like Android Reddit and even Android cannot have such a low competition values. The main purpose of this tool is to find Google auto suggestions, that is, related keywords or related terms to your main keywords. So this is how you can get content ideas or topic ideas to write on your website. The second tool that we are going to see now is keywordtool.io. This tool gives you 708 keywords for the same term Android. I'm using the free version only. Also, targeting is same, that is google.com and United States. To know the search volume or cost per click, you need to buy the pro version. But to just get the keywords, free version is enough. To get a list of keywords, you can just copy all of them and paste in an Excel spreadsheet. You cannot export these keywords directly by using any of these copy all button. You just need to manually select them and paste to Microsoft Excel or any spreadsheet that you use. Let's come to the third tool, SEObook.com. We are going to use keyword tool of SEO Book. To access this tool, you need to register a free account. To do that, click on Join Free. Enter your email address and enter a username. Click on Claim Your Free Tools button. After registering your free account, log in into SEO Book and then come to Keyword Tool. To access Keyword Tool, go to SEObook.com, then Tools, and click Keyword Tool. The difference between Ubersuggest, keywordtool.io, and SEO Book's Keyword Tool is that this tool gives you a completely different set of keywords, but it also gives you the monthly searches, daily searches, Google as well as Bing traffic, and several other details. Let's see them one by one. The first feature that I like is you can export to CSV and you can use it for your later analyzation or research, etc. This is how the CSV looks. Let's close it for now. When you scroll down, it also provides you the Google Trends data for the broad keyword you have entered, provided you have checked the option to display Google Trends data while entering the keyword in the previous page. This is same as the details that we saw on Google Trends, that is the top and rising keywords. The fourth tool that we are going to see in this lecture is SEMrush. We have discussed this tool in various other part of this course too, but that's for checking backlink and checking competitors' keywords. In those two situations, we type the URL of a site. Let me type Android in this text box and click Start now. Like I said earlier, it may ask you to log in. If you haven't created your free account yet, create one and log into SEMrush. In this lecture, we are going to use Keyword Analytics tool in this SEMrush. You just need to come to SEMrush and click on Keyword Analytics Overview. You will get the volume, the number of results, etc. Actually, the number of results says you how much competition you have for a particular keyword. Like Google Trends, you also get country-wise or language-wise distribution and the trend which is calculated by SEMrush. You also get the top 5 phrase match keywords, related keywords on other languages, and the top 20 pages for the search term. You can also view the mobile traffic for any particular keyword in SEMrush. This is the special feature which you don't have in any other tools that we have discussed earlier. In the next lecture, you will learn how to find the related terms or related keywords.